So for today, I'm going to teach you on where to enter your referral code on Cash App. So first you need to open your Cash App application on your device, and once you're in, just simply navigate to the profile icon which is located at the top right corner of your screen and click on the enter referral code under the support, and once you clicked in, you can now enter a referral code from your friend or any referral code that you've seen. After that, you need to click the enter, which is you can now enter the referral code, or it will completely receive, or the Cash App will completely receive the referral code that you entered. And that's where you enter your referral code on your Cash App. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.